I don't know how to describe this deformation, but since I said that I want to share my experience, I'll be there till the end. It's quite short because if you bend, you see, the whole universe will see what you're up to. If you're a girly with arguments, which in my case, not true at all, just remember that all your beauty won't stay in place because it has a quite bad maintenance. A few days ago, I was searching for a dress to replace my old ones. I also needed some bottoms in a good quality and for a good price. These are the brands I found, and I'd like to share my experience. Bear with me. Polka dot is an evergreen subject, and actually it's a good idea to have something evergreen because you can mix it a whole year around. I mean, fashion is fashion, but let's be honest, it's not a dress, it's kind of ballet dress for a girlie who is 12 or 15 years old. You have to be extremely skinny, and yeah, I don't really like this dress. 2 out of 10. Voila. I like this dress from H&M. It's from linen fabric. Shape, the quality, everything is great, and if you have a dress code, this dress will be a perfect match.
I like that this dress has a removable belt, it's leaned, and also it has a shoulder pads for structure. Unfortunately, this specific dress doesn't work for my silhouette, so I'm not keeping it.
My next find is from H&M. It's a silky skirt with, how do you say this in English? I don't know. I know in French, if it's okay. And I found the words. This part is a lace. Yeah, it's gonna be a good basic in my wardrobe, and I hope it lasts at least 5 years.
And so for this reason I came up with a few styling ideas where I made some tweaks and layering to see how it integrates with my actual wardrobe. Unfortunately, I cannot show you everything I've done in the back end, but believe me, this skirt is a match and she stays with me.
Do you remember I said I was searching for shorts made from linen fabric? I love everything about them. I like the color, this burgundy, deep burgundy. Also this off-white for summer will be just perfect. What I want you to pay attention is how these shorts are made, the structure, the cut, everything is perfect. And also the price. The price really surprised me. It's a good match.
But let's dive deep into details and why you shouldn't be ignoring them. It's an important topic and I hope you won't hate me, guys, because I will be a bit repetitive about the quality of fabric, stitching and clothing cut. As you can see, I emphasize a lot on those specific points because a poor stitching and bad tailoring can really make or break the whole outfit.
I don't know if you ever heard of wearability test. The idea is when you buy your new clothes, you have to try them in movement. So for example, I'm laying on my sofa, then I will be sitting and just moving around my house just to see how they fit me.
This item fits me well in terms of size and quality. The only thing I regret is that it should be a little bit shorter or just a little bit above the knees. Because I'm not very tall, it cuts my legs in half. But if you are taller than me, I strongly recommend investing in these 2 pair of shorts. Because these 2 items are gonna be your timeless staples for spring and summer seasons. This skirt has the same design as the black one I showed you previously, and honestly I have nothing to complain because it's the same but in the different color. The skirt has an elastic belt for comfortable wearing. Small details such as lace in the same color as the skirt, which adds a feminine touch, stitches which are well done, and the overall opinion is also great. But I don't like the color and I won't be keeping it. Let's move to the next dress I found on sale. It's also from H&M, it's linen and cotton blend. It's a very beautiful striped dress. As you can see, it's executed perfectly. I also have no complaints about it. On the other hand, I dislike that this material is a completely see-through. I tried to style it in different ways, but it always came as a second or a third layer. It could be also a beach version, but for me it doesn't match my expectation, so I'm sending it back. And the final item from this try-on haul, which costs me a little fortune, is from the French brand I love. And no, it's not Cézanne, it's the Kooples. So basically, this brand is known for its rock and chic looks with extremely feminine details on their garments. And needless to say, when I saw this dress, I stumbled. It's made from 100% silk, lined with 100% cotton. It has a small beautiful buttons, puffy sleeves and V-line neck. And of course, I checked all the stitches and the whole execution of this dress. Honestly, I have no complaints, but only admirations to the craft. And for me, this dress is really very beautiful. It's 10 out of 10 and I will be keeping it. And before I leave you, I wanted to show you a few examples of how I style this dress with a sleeveless cardigan and a trench coat. That's it for today. I hope my video was helpful and I wanna believe I inspired you to find your favorite pieces for spring-summer season.